How to brush your teeth. 1. Place bristles along the gum line at a 45 angle. Bristles should contact both the tooth surface and the gum line. 2. Gently brush the outer tooth surfaces of 2 to 3 teeth using a vibrating back, forth and rolling motion. Move brush to the next group of 2 to 3 teeth and repeat. 3. Maintain a 45 angle with bristles contacting the tooth surface and gum line. Gently brush using back, forth and rolling motion along all of the inner tooth surfaces. 4. Tilt brush vertically behind the front teeth. Make several up and down strokes using the front half of the brush. 5. Place the brush against the biting surface of the teeth and use a gentle back and forth scrubbing motion. Brush the tongue from back to front to remove odor-producing bacteria.